Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at graphing lines from slope y-intercept form. Now this is lesson 6.0 because we have talked about this in the previous lesson, or in the previous unit rather, but it is extremely important moving on into this new unit. So first of all, we're going to recap what slope y-intercept form is. This is the equation of a line. The equation of a line, okay, in which y is isolated, okay, leaving the slope and y-intercept easily read. Okay, in other words, it's this guy that we've talked about, y equals mx plus b, and just like I said, the slope is easily read because it is of course m. I'm not sure why my lines are so thick here, and my y-intercept is b. All right, so y-intercept is b, slope is green. Okay, so that's that. So how do we use it? Well, what we're going to do here is we're going to graph a line that passes through the point -4, -6, and has a slope of 5/2. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to plot that point. All right, so we're going to have to zoom in here. So we got -4, -6. So that point is right there. All right, then we're going to use our slope, which was 5/2, to plot a second point. So we go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 2, 1, 2. So there is our second point. Once we have 2 points, if we want, we can draw a third point, which I'm going to. Not necessary. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, and there it is. Okay. But now that I have 2 or 3 points, I can draw a line. Whoops. Difficult to do on my tablet. And I did a terrible job. Actually, I did okay. That's not bad. All right, there it is. Make sure you put arrows on the end, showing that that line will continue forever in each direction. And now what we're going to do is we're going to write out the equation of the line, which is y equals, we write our slope, which we said was 5/2, x, and then we say plus our y-intercept, whatever that is. Now, we weren't given that, and we didn't do all the equations or all the math to find it, but fortunately, we drew our line and we see that it's going through 4, so it's going to be plus 4. And again, here I'll even do this so you can see we got that 4 from the y-intercept. All right, and that's it. That's all you have to do. So let's go quickly through one more. Okay, this time I'm just going to graph one that I've given you the actual equation. So again, I have my slope right there is -2. We'll write that. We'll write m. Oh, maybe I'll, nope. If I can figure this out. Oh, there we go. Let's make my line thinner. There we go. All right. Get rid of that. Try again. All right. M is equal to -2. And my y-intercept right there is b equals +3. All right. So we start at our b, which was +3. So we'll start right there on our first point, and then using our slope of -2. Now remember, it's -2. That's the same as having -2/1. Anytime there's no fraction, you just put it over 1, and now it's a fraction. So we go down 2, because that was our rise, so 1, 2, and then we go over 1. So there is our second point. And again, I said you could do a third point if you want, but you don't have to, and sometimes you won't be able to. Sometimes you won't be able to fit more than 2 points on your graph, and that's okay, because you only need 2 points to draw a line. And I'll do my best here to try and get this thing straight. Oh, nope, it was a disaster. There we go. There we go, not bad. I'm trying to use a ruler on a tablet. It doesn't, they're not meant to be used that way, but that's okay. There we go, I think we did pretty well. All right, and then you do have to label your equation again. So we write y equals negative 2x plus 3. And then we are all done. And that's it. So until next time, go Sabres.